Hello everyone, it's Succulents Box. Today we're going to show you how to properly water your air plants. There are various ways air plants can be watered: misting, soaking, or a combination of both. Misting is the most common watering method. Use a spray bottle and mist your air plant thoroughly, trying not to leave any dry areas. After a nice misting, let your air plant air dry on an open windowsill for 1 to 3 hours. Air plants with thicker leaves like Xerographica are used to drier climates, so misting 2 to 3 times a week is sufficient. However, misting may not be enough for air plants native to a more tropical environment. The perfect watering method for tropical air plants is soaking. You will need to prepare a bowl or sink full of water, submerge your air plant in the water, and allow it to soak for a few hours. When your air plant has finished its soak, take it out and shake off any excess water. To prevent rot, place the air plant upside down in a towel to remove any remaining water in the crown. For air plants with thicker leaves, a good soak for 20 to 30 minutes a week is enough. Soaking may end up harming bulbous air plants because if they're waterlogged, they will rot. The last watering method is a combination of soaking and misting. Start by soaking your air plant once a week for 20 to 30 minutes. If they dry out too quickly, mist them a few times in between soaks. Many people find success in combining methods, but don't get discouraged if it doesn't work for you. Whichever method you choose, remember to dry your air plant thoroughly. Use a fan if it doesn't dry within 1 to 3 hours. That's it for this video. We hope you enjoyed, and see you next time.